Hi everyone, in this video I'll be giving you new codes for this Z pieces or the Roblox game. So guys, to redeem your code before starting, if you're new on channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video. Let's start the video. So first of all, to create your or to get or to redeem your code, first of all click on menu and now click on settings. Now you can enter your code here. So our first code for this game is Happy Halloween. This code. So the code is redeemed already. As you can see, let me enter that again. And code is redeemed. Already used since I already used right now. So now the next code for this code this game is. So the second code is bug fix and update to. This is the code. Basically, this is like a announcement or a something like that. But this is a code basically. Using this code, they are basically saying that we have bug fix the bug and with the new update. So let's enter it and we can see our code is redeemed. So these are the two codes we got. Uh, So yeah, hope you like it, and these are the new codes for this game. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.